Hello and welcome back to Sensibly Frugal Living. Today I have a bit of a random happenings around the house video for you. I'm getting stuff done, being productive and obviously starting with a cup of tea. So let's crack on with this video. So first up, I am getting sick and tired of all these coats sort of getting dumped on the door in the front room. It's logical because the coat hooks we've got are down the hallway in what we call our utility area where our freezer is. You can see the difference how old my coat is. When your hood is up, you can see the colour it was before it's been sun-dyed. So here's where there was coat hooks a long time ago. We put our own little hooks up to hold the keys. We used to have face masks up there back in the whole virus era we went through. We have coat hooks here in the utility area. The lower down ones I think were for bags and stuff, but we've just got the freezer in front of it so we don't use them. But we also don't want to take them out and leave holes in the wall. Here's a little plaque that my friend gave me that I want to keep hanging up where it is. I think it's lovely and I like it on display. So we've put some coat hooks here. I ordered some. I think I paid like £3 for 4. And this is where all of our coats are going to go. Well, not all of our coats. We all have one main coat and we've got a hook each here. And we'll swap out our seasonal coats when the time comes and keep them in the wardrobes. And look, it looks so much better decluttered. It's more airy. I love it. So hopefully everyone's going to keep their coats on the hooks. So something else I've been thinking a lot about is like how we need to find contentment in what we have and we need to appreciate what we have. And I thought, you know what? That means maintaining and looking after what we have. And this was a find I found on Facebook Marketplace many years ago, probably over 10 years ago, potentially. And I paid £5 for it and it's just gorgeous. It's like a candle holder. And I thought, you know what, I'm going to take some time and I'm going to dust it properly. I'm going to get in all the nooks and crannies with a toothbrush and it's come up lovely. I didn't know it was so dirty. So that's my thing going forward, is to really look after what I've got and appreciate and not take for granted what I've got. So this is a new day and that meant I had to clean the gutters. This was on my annual leave and we live in a bungalow so it's easy to reach the front gutters, but I don't like going really high up a different ladder for the back gutters. They're like up higher, so my husband's going to have to do that. But I went along, I cleaned all the gunk out of the gutters and I wiped over just to get any like green gungy stains off, and it just looks so much better. And it's something we do regularly because we get like moss and grass build up. And yeah, the ivy leaves, I didn't realise they were in shot, so I apologise. But I cleaned the windows as well, went around all the sills and just brightened up the front of the house a little bit. It just looks so much better. You don't realise until you've done them how much better they look. So as you can see here, the gutters at the back are a lot higher than the ones at the front. So even if I was up a ladder, I'd have to stand on the top bit to actually get a good, you know, height to clean the gutters, and I'm not doing that. I was on a roll this day. The shed ends up looking like this after winter. Everything just gets shoved in there. It's just a big mess. So I took the time to empty the shed out and I've dedicated a shelf to different things. Toys on one shelf, tools and garden stuff on another shelf. And yeah, it's just so much more accessible. I don't know how long it's going to stay like that. And my husband's painted the outside recently. So again, it's the maintaining what we have. And we had a shed before that got like a bit rotten. And this was the one that my dad gave us for free. So we want to keep up on the maintenance, and staining the outside is a big part of that. And making sure the felt on the top is like not ripped and, you know, good quality. And that's what we're doing. We want to keep the things we've got nice. So that's my little random video. There's the shed all finished and it's just a relief to get these things done. And that's all for the bin. Thanks for watching guys, and I'll catch you on the next video.